Hey everyone, so you're sitting there hungry, maybe staring at a delivery app, and you have that one glorious thought, man, I wish pizza would just fall from the sky. Well, be careful what you wish for, because today we're asking, what if it actually rained pizza for a full 24 hours? Not just a few pepperoni flakes, a full-blown atmospheric pizza event. First, let's set up our deliciously dangerous scenario. This isn't a gentle drizzle of pizza soup. This is a proper storm system. Let's assume it's a standard pizza rain, maybe with some pepperoni in, falling at the rate of a typical heavy rainstorm. That's about 2 inches or 5 centimeters of pizza per. And well, let's be generous and say it's mostly your favorite kind. The first few minutes would be, and I think we can all agree on this, absolutely amazing. The smell, the sheer unbridled joy. You could just run outside with a plate, or just lie on your back with your mouth open. No judgment here. Social media would break. The hashtag PizzaStorm hashtag would trend globally in seconds. But after about an hour, the novelty would start to wear off. See, 2 inches of rain is a lot of water, but 2 inches of pizza is a lot of mass. A single square foot of pizza is heavy. Now cover an entire city in it. That cheese and dough would start to accumulate. It would pile up on streets, on rooftops, on cars. Within a few hours, we'd be wading through a warm, sloppy, cheesy sludge that's knee-deep, then waist-deep. This isn't rain anymore. It's a pizza avalanche in slow motion. The structural damage would be immense. Older roofs, designed to hold the weight of snow, not a 5-foot layer of carbohydrate, would start to groan and collapse. Tree branches would snap under the weight of their cheesy, saucy burden. And the roads? Forget driving. Your car would be buried in a tomb of marinara sauce. Emergency services would be completely immobilized. How do you drive a fire truck through a lasagna-like layer of dough? But the real nightmare begins after the storm stops. The sun comes out, and that's when the real science kicks in. We've just covered the entire planet in a blanket of organic material. Billions of tons of cheese, flour, tomato sauce, and meat. It would begin to rot, and I mean fast. The smell would be indescribable. Within days, the world would be one giant science experiment in mold and bacteria. We're talking a stench that would make a landfill smell like a flower garden. It would attract every insect, every rat, every scavenger for thousands of miles. The world would become a paradise for pests and a nightmare for people. The economic and ecological damage would be catastrophic. Cleaning it up? Impossible. You can't just shovel the entire state of Kansas into a landfill. The pizza would clog rivers, alter ecosystems, and cause algal blooms in the oceans that would choke out marine life. This isn't a snack. It's an extinction-level event served on a thin crust. So, the dream of infinite free pizza from the sky is, unfortunately, an ecological horror story in disguise. It teaches us a pretty important lesson. Sometimes, the most amazing fantasies have terrifyingly messy consequences in the real world. The systems of our planet are a delicate balance. And while we might dream of a world where dinner falls from the heavens, the reality is that it would probably bury us. But hey, at least we can still order a delivery, right? Without causing the apocalypse. If you enjoyed this cheesy thought experiment, do us a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And let us know in the comments, what topping would you hope for in your pizza storm? And of course, subscribe for more weekly what-ifs. We explore everything from the depths of black holes to the weirdness of your own body. Thanks for watching, and remember, maybe just stick to the pizza box.